alligator, snappy and sly. B is for bear, reaching for the sky. C is for cat, who loves to purr. D is for dog, with soft warm fur. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fox, who runs through the land. G is for gorilla, beating his chest. H is for horse, who trots the best. I is for iguana, sunning in the heat. J is for jaguar, quiet on his feet. K is for kangaroo, jump, jump, jump. L is for llama, with the furry rump. M is for monkey, swinging so high. N is for newt, who's a little shy. O is for ostrich, with speedy toes. P is for penguin, who waddles as he goes. Q is for quail, with the funny head. R is for rhino, stomping ahead. S is for snake, slithering fast. T is for tiger, bold and brash. U is for umbrella, bird flying through the trees. V is for vulture, riding the breeze. W is for wombat, round and low. X is for X-ray, fish with a glow. Y is for yak, with fuzzy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear. Now we sung from A to Z. Let's clap and cheer, yippee! Animals everywhere, big and small, we love them, one and all.